In this tutorial, we are going to go through how to easily verify your account on Rubi. So firstly, go ahead and open the Rubi app or website and log in with your credentials. Then go ahead and navigate to the account settings or profile section. Then look for an option labeled Verify Account or Verification. You will then be required to provide identification documents. Typically, this includes your photo ID, passport, driver's license, or other government-issued IDs. Then for proof of residence, you can use a utility bill, bank statement, or any similar documents. So make sure to upload clear, scanned copies or photos of these documents as prompted. Depending on the platform's requirements, you might also need to verify your phone number by simply entering a code sent to your mobile number. And after submitting your documents and completing any additional steps, wait for Rubi to review and approve your verification. So this usually takes a few business days. So make sure to monitor your email or app notifications for updates on your verification status. As well as, you can also check the verification section in your account settings. And if you encounter any issues or haven't received confirmation within the expected time frame, you can try contacting Rubi's customer support for assistance. And that's it. So verifying your Rubi account is that simple. Log in, submit your documents, and complete any additional steps. So that's all we had for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.